All right, howdy folks, been a minute. We're going to get into The Tide is High by Blondie today. So we're going to have this B chord. I like to do just the top fours, the three strings there, top three strings. We're going to have a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so we hit on the upbeat instead of the downbeat of each beat. So 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we're going to go to E. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's your F sharp. So 2 1 open open for E, 4 3 2 2 for F sharp. If you have trouble with that bar, just try to get the 4 3 2. That's gonna be good enough. Okay, so 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, and then E to F sharp, and then B again. Now this time, instead of E to F sharp, we're gonna go C sharp minor, which kind of plays out like an E as well, but it's like 6 4 5 4, and then the F sharp. Okay, so the whole thing is 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. B. Got that C sharp minor 7 to F sharp. Okay, then we have a cool melody up here. We got, so little string, we got 14 and 11, and then 11 on the third string, 16, 14, 12, 11 on the little string here, and then 14, 12, 14 on the second to the little 11, so 11 to 12 to 11. Okay, so we have 14, 11, 11 on the third, go to the 16 and come on down, 14, 12, 14, 11, 12, 11. Then we're going to go to this 9, and that's the extent of the little melody I'm giving you here for this. So we got 9, 9 again, and then 9 to 12 on the second, 11 on the third string. So it's, and then we're going to be back to the B chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and E to F sharp. We're going to do that twice. All right, now we're to the chorus. We're going to have a little lead-in note at the end of that last kind of chord measure there. So the tide is high. So we have that 4th fret of the D string. Then we're going to come down to this B chord, 4, 4, and 2. Tide is high and okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and then 2 more. And then we're going to go 1 open open on the bottom 3 strings, part of an E chord. And then this is 4 4 open on the bottom 3. Sounds kind of crazy, but it happens fast. So it's, and we go back to the 3 2 2 from an F sharp. So it's, okay, and then second time. So dum dum. I'm going to that 1 on the third string, back to the chord. So it's, and we got our 1 open open, 4 4 open, back to the 3 2 2 again. Now we're gonna have this B again. Okay, so we do the little chord there, bottom 3 strings, 4 4 2, and then 4 2 on the second, 4 on the third, and back to the 2 4 on the second. So, and then E, and then we have 2 open on the second string after the E. And then we go 4 and 3 on the 2 big strings. And I'll kind of do them kind of staggered. Sounds kind of cool that way. Open to 2 on the second, and then 4 4 2 on the top ones to those 3 4s from a B. Okay, so it's, and then come over here and make an E chord, but with a little 2 on the bottom. And do the 2 first. And then we'll hit it again. We'll hit the E with the 2. Okay, so we hit the 2 to open, and then 4 on the second string to little open, and then F sharp. So it's, oh no, oh Okay, and then the verse is going to be like. Okay, so a couple of fours up here. And go down the fours. Dum da dum 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 da dum dum. Back to the third string there. So we have these 4, 4, and 4. So. And then we're going to go E, 4 on the second to that F sharp. And you could just do the 4, 3, 2 for that one. That's how I got it written. So. And then we do it again. Okay, we have what I call part B, that. E with the 2. And then we're in the chorus again. And then we have number 1. Okay, so that's going to be the E. And then 4, 3, 4 is our chord. And then we do the F sharp. We're going to have a little walking thing. Okay, so we had number 1. So, as soon as we hit the F sharp here, we got the little 2 kind of leading this. 2, and then 5, 4, 2 on the second. 4, 3, 1 on the third. Down to the 4 on the 4th string. Okay, so the verse has that. And we have the. And then we have the chorus. We got that 1 there and back. And then we got number 1. And that one we're just going to let it kind of ring out. So number 1. And then we do it again. Number. And then we'll have the little walk down again. Okay, and we have that high melody. Okay, then we're back to the B chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and then E to F sharp. We're gonna do that twice. And then we have another verse. Part B. Okay, then chorus. The tide is high, but I'm gonna be yours. And then we have the number 1. Then we do it again. Number. The tide is high, but I'm gonna be your number 1. The tide is high. Okay, so it just keeps repeating that and fades out. Okay, The Tide is High by Blondie. Hope you all have a good day. Thanks a lot.